Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on OPPO F27. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on system settings. Then scroll down again and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on erase all data. Now click on erase all data again and click on erase all data again. And now you have to wait. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.